Hi everyone, this is Kijibo Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin yung reaction video. Ang cover na naman ni Jong Madariday, which is Heaven Knows. So I won't take any longer. Sana hindi siya magpapaiyak for today's video. Without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Atake tayo. Ang galing niya kahapon sa Just Jong. Kaso nakakabitin yung cover, yung ano niya kahapon sa Just Jong. Sana man lang mahaba-haba ng kaunti, diba? Anyways, panoorin natin to. Ay! Iniba niya! Grabe talaga. One thing that I really love about him is just like the way he sang an English song. Aside sa magandang delivery niya, yung diction niya pati. Sa totoo lang, ang ganda talaga ng diction niya. Ang ganda talaga ng enunciation niya. Yung pag-pronounce niya, softer. Softer, galing talaga. I know it's too early to pause, pero sorry. Sabi ko, hindi ako magpo-pause eh. Ganda talaga ng timbre niya. Ganda talaga ng, ang ganda ng pronunciation niya. Wow, okay. Wait. Yung decrescendo niya. Alam niyo yung ibig sabihin ng decrescendo? Ang decrescendo, yung malakas ang boses niya tapos hihinaan niya. That is the decrescendo. And crescendo naman, yung mahinang boses mo tapos lalakasan mo. Yun yung crescendo. Ang ganda ng execution niya. Tapos yung emphasis niya, yung mga letter S niya, yung mga letter T, yung ED, yung pag-past tense na. Ang ganda. Nice. Okay. Wow. Oh, I love that. Sarap. Sarap siya, mami. Ay, sana pa in love for today's video.
اكتشف تجارب جديدة أكثر من 30 علامة فندقية مع that puts me in a trance where hopes and dreams come true.
Okay.
Now my lips are burning and my eyes are hurting from this fumes that make.
Grabe yung vibrato niya doon. Narinig niyo? Alam mo, patulala-tulala lang ako dito, pero pinapakinggan ko talaga bawat Ang ganda ng texture ng boses niya. Low notes. Okay.
Angel has flown away from me, leaving me with drunken misery. How should I clip the wings and make her mine for all eternity? Now these angels
I love that. Oh, yes.
thought I had the strength to set her free. Do what I did because I love her so. Will she ever find her way back home to me?
Bigyan mo naman ako ng soft notes. Soft note, soft tone. Bigyan mo naman ako ng soft tone, please. Ay! Nabiti naman ako for today's video. Wait. Ito, this is where... Ito yung pinakagusto kong part. Wait lang. Alam mo, ay, sorry, Islam pala sila, no? Sorry, sabihin ko sana kung nakalimutan ko, Islam pala siya, yung religion niya. Pero feeling ko kung kakanta siya ng mga worship song, yung mga Take me out of the dark, my love, feeling ko maninail niya din to. Ang ganda niya, ang galing niya magsalita ng English. The crescendo. Hinahatid niya yung nota, dear. Hinahatid niya yung nota eh. Diba?
Now this angel has flown away from me. Thought I had the strength to set her free. Do what I did because I love her so. Will she ever find her way back home to me?
Nice. Jong Madaliday. Hala. Tapos na. Alright, there you go guys. It is over for today's video. Heaven knows pala ang title nito. From Orange and Lemons by Jong Madaliday. I love it. Sarap. Ang sarap sa tenga. This is Kijibo Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye.